Hey, we have an update. So I have checked out both of these, and there seems to be roots growing. And even though I totally neglected them, I didn't do any. I didn't water them. Nothing. I saw roots growing. But because this is too thick, I'm gonna wait until it has more roots to support itself. Now, as you can see, the plants are starting to grow. These are the plants from Lidl's that I bought. I have one that I'm not sure if it's gonna make it. It seems to be alive, but I didn't see any roots. So it's gonna have to grow some in the next few weeks. And hopefully it will bring out some foliage as well. But the others have roots and also have shoots that have started to grow. It's amazing how it starts. It started like yellow, orangey yellow, and now it has its discoloration, which is beautiful. This is the cherry brandy. You can see big flower, and it's just about to open. It has very mild scent so far, but it might give out more as it opens out. So some have started to shoot more. I think not this one. This one has a flower bud growing on. Yep. And this one is shooting some out as this one as well. So yeah, I'm waiting for them. The dual color from mini roses from Lidl's didn't do very well, so they dropped all their leaves. It's my fault because I didn't water them very often. So yeah, they're still alive, so we should be fine. But yeah, I neglected them. So what I've done, I pruned some of the trees here as well, and I partially prune them every year and bring them down. This rose is doing fine. It flowered a lot, and now it's taking a break. The almond tree here, which used to be something else, but the almond is a rootstock, is starting to flower. In the next few days there should be flowers on this. This is a local Cypriot variety. You can see all the new growth. There's gonna be lots of flowers on this. Now I am worried about frost and wind, which might kill a lot of new growth. But yeah, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. This is the grapefruit, it's growing well. I sprayed all the plants with copper. It's a product called Scudo. I've talked about this before. And I've also added some other products in the solution, which I will talk about later in another video. This one is going nuts. Also about to flower, but you can see maybe, yeah, you can see the aphids on it. So I'm gonna try this first time Okay, it didn't work very well, but yeah, they're still on it. The aphids are easy to remove mechanically. You just rub against them and it works. But anyway, I thought I would try this. It will work on something more rigid, but not on this. The passion fruit it sucks. It's I don't know what's going on. There is fertilizer in it. I don't understand why it's not doing very well. The only thing I can think of is the root stayed moist for too long. That's the closest explanation I've got. Yeah, interestingly, there are some can see insects already around. It's now the highest is 20 degrees, so these things have come out early. This is the new Belgica, it's the Lonicera that I got from Germany, from eBay. It's called, the store is called Blumen Senf, something like that. I'll see if I have a label to show in the video. The pomias are going strong. See on the new growth. I also have to watch out for the frost for them. The kumquats also starting to flower. It will smell delicious. And I'm preparing to repot the other plants from Germany. This is the store. They sent me one wrong plant. They sent me the Wisteria sinensis, but I ordered the prolific variety that's called prolific, but they sent me a seedling instead, which you might think it's not a big deal, but seedlings take many years to flower, way more than a grafted plant. So yeah, I got refunded the money and it's fine. This Telmaniana, I've never had this, Lonicera. This one is another honeysuckle, gold flame. This one is supposed to be the blue moon, the Wisteria macrostachia blue moon, which is the Kentucky Wisteria, the American one. It's a bit difficult for me to ascertain whether it's going clockwise or anti-clockwise, which is how I can confirm that it's an American Wisteria. The American goes clockwise and the Asian ones go anti-clockwise. These are the other Badlias here, all of the Badlias here. I have one that hasn't shown any new growth, but it has good roots underneath. This is the Black Knight. Yeah, and I was really looking forward to this. But anyway, I will wait and see. Trachelospermum jasminoides. And this is beautiful and smells amazing for several months. This is the Kiwi Jenny variety, supposedly self-fertile. This is the Kiwi Issai. Again, is supposed to be self-fertile. I may need to get a male variety of another a male kiwi to improve the fertilization, the pollination, so I get more fruit. So we'll see. The bulbs are going nuts. I've actually had some that they had all of the water and they were actually just going limp like this, so I have to put some water in now. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, these are growing. This is just barely starting. It's fascinating to see how some plants progress earlier, so they start to produce shoots earlier than others, even though they are in the same spot and area. So this is one of the little dual colored roses. Again, you can see they're struggling, but anyway, what's done is done. I'm just now gonna have to be more careful. This is the Cercis canadensis, if I'm not mistaken, and it's gonna have these beautiful pink flowers, pea flowers, pea-like flowers on the bark. It's directly on the stem. It's gonna be like just here as well. So the pomegranate is also starting to shoot out. These have survived so far. And so I cut some wild plants. People also call them weeds. I prefer wild plants because that's what they are. And I let them to dry off a bit, and I put them as mulch in the pots. They don't really need mulching at the moment, but they will once the late spring hits. And yeah, this is kumquat again. It's still producing fruit. It's amazing. So I'm glad I got kumquats. And yeah, the Eureka variety seems okay. Hasn't progressed any at all. Neither the grapes, which I sort of expected. This one hasn't progressed either, but it hasn't regressed also, so it's fine. As soon as these things produce seed, I'm gonna take it off because it's taking away from this. Yeah, it's quite dry, so I need to water that. It can really get away from you if you don't watch it. These are still fine. So this has started to come out. It's beautiful new growth. I think I'm gonna cut it even more because I want it to look a bit nicer. Again, pomegranate. This one hasn't come out yet, which again is interesting because it's the same. It's not. I don't know if it's the same variety, but it's literally a few meters from the other one, and it's not coming out yet. And this one is coming out. So yeah, go figure. Anyway, that is nature. This one is about to flower finally. And the last one, this one, yeah, it's also coming out with new flower buds. Cut. So yeah, and the very next job is to repot those plants so they can start growing into their new and most likely permanent containers. And I'm gonna be having more plants coming in, most likely, which I'll show you when it is time. I took out this pear and it seems to be growing on. And this pine tree, I have no hopes for this, but anyway, I had to go. These The jasmine is also coming out, which is great. You can see very healthy growth, and there should be some flowers coming out soon. Well, it's gonna be a few weeks still, but anyway, if the frost doesn't get them. I also found some clippings from a garden, and I'm trying this propagation method, I guess, if you can call it. It's just the laziest thing ever. I just put them between cardboards, I moistened it, and I'm just gonna cover it, and I'll see what's going on. It's a Carissa plant. It's like a jasmine flowers, jasmine like and smelling flowers. I'm not sure if it's actually in the jasmine genus. And the other is another jasmine. It's the winter jasmine. It has these pretty yellow non-fragrant flowers. So we'll see. I think it's Jasminoides. No, I'm not gonna say it. I don't remember. So, and that's the update. I will be reporting the plant soon and give another update on that. And that's it for now.